Hey everyone, it's Juana and Mike from Pack Your Essentials.
In this one, we say goodbye to Singapore, share a quick life update, and finally land in Athens to keep the journey going.
So don't forget to subscribe.
It is now 10 to 7. It is time we leave Singapore. Oh, that was brilliant. That was not timed. That was not fixed whatsoever. But yeah, time to leave. Singapore has been very good to us. It's been very, very enjoyable. We had a great night last night with some friends. We saw the light show in Gardens by the Bay.
That's what we ended
unbelievable.
with. It was really, really good. Yeah, really, really nice.
Yeah.
And it's like the whole vibe is so cool. Like everyone just like goes and like sits down, and then like around the trees there's like these big long benches, and there's like lots of people just like lined up like that, lying on their back and watching the show.
Yeah, it's very relaxed, very cool. Singapore is definitely a place you come, I think probably 4 or 5 days, and you'll tick off a lot of things. We didn't hit the island, Sentosa.
I'd say probably a week, because like there's like a lot of like different islands where you can do different activities on. So yeah, maybe like a week would be. Yeah.
Why do it a week? I'll do 4 or 5 days. Make your decision. But plan is now we gotta go to the airport because we fly all the way back to London. Yeah, so we gotta go back.
Yes.
It's a very long flight.
Also, just wanted to mention, you see the stairs?
A bunk.
Never again.
These stairs were life.
They're so steep as well, and they're so annoying. Yeah.
Yeah, they were very steep, very steep. But
Never
yeah,
again.
that's the plan. We're gonna finish off our coffees.
Coffee
And
life.
coffee is life. 3-1 coffee, sugary coffee is life.
Yeah.
And yeah, head to the airport. So see you on the way. So we made it. We're here at the airport.
Made it, Terminal
Yeah.
1. We have to check in our bags now,
Yeah.
and we're flying with Qatar Airlines for the very first time.
Actually is, yeah, so we'll see. We flew through Emirates before, so Qatar now
Qatar is a new one.
will be a new one, so it should be fun. The boarding gate, or sorry, where you drop off your bags, is very fancy.
It's very fancy.
Looks very nice.
Imagine if we get upgraded to first class.
There was an option, right, yesterday, for an extra £1,000.
Lovely.
I love the way in the email it goes, oh, it was
You
like
have the
saying,
opportunity to upgrade.
yeah, I was like, you've been awarded with the opportunity of upgrading if you pay this money. So, yeah,
Here.
that's the plan. So, Qatar, here we come.
So, we didn't get upgraded. Economy class it is.
I mean, it is, but sure, what can we do? What can we do?
Since we're in Terminal 1, might as well pop in to see the Jewel one more time. So it's in that building, but we're actually departing from here. But yeah.
We weren't too sure if we'd be as close. We weren't too sure which terminal we'd be in, so we said we'd check it out the other day, but now we're here again. So, have a look.
Dun dun dun! It is not working.
It's not working, it's not on.
So do not come in the morning.
So, top tip, go when you come here, and if it's not on, go again. What's not on?
So we noticed there's some cleaning going on there, so maybe that's why it's not on. Because online it says it's 24/7, 12 months of the year. So, yeah. Michael checking-in's back now, making sure it's not more than 7 kgs.
8.26.
Well,
Here it is,
that goes on your neck, and then your jumper on you. So that should be all right. So Michael's gonna stay behind, but no, he made it through. We're settled in.
Settled in.
Got a pillow and blanket. That's all I need.
Our screens.
Happy out.
Happy out, so we're ready to go. So, all set. Food hopefully comes soon because I'm hungry.
Got screens as well.
Everyone's getting ready for our movies.
We got a chicken biryani.
First flight complete. Doha, we're here. So
One
now,
down, one to go.
One down, one to go. We're on the way to London now, so yeah.
We have an hour and a half before boarding.
Yeah.
So
So I got a bit of
let's take
time.
some time.
There's no rush, which is good. There was a little bit of a panic because they're like, right, local time, what is it? But no, all good. So on to London.
Doha Airport.
So we're just switching over, and then we came across this on the way to our on the way to our next gate.
This is so cool. So everyone's chilling on the grass, everyone's like sleeping.
Yeah. Oh, they got a little fountain over there. We're tired. Well, I'm tired now. One is not. So one is clipping while I try to stay awake.
We have arrived. Bags have arrived.
Just
So it's all good. Oi, oi. We're back in London.
Back in
Classic
London.
delays.
And it's a delay already. So we've been around a little bit now so far, and in all big cities, there's no delays. And the first train we got in London, typical, there's been a delay. No surprise. Not too bad, but yeah, it just emphasises delays here happen quite often.
Welcome to London.
2 weeks later.
One strap is bigger than the other.
We're on the road again. The adventure continues.
Life update coming up. Rewind.
So just to give a quick little recap over the last 2 weeks, guys, we flew back to rainy London, caught up with some friends over some of these and some of this.
We also finally checked out ABBA Voyage show. If you're in London, it's a must. Then it was back to Ireland, had some Murphys, if you know, you know. Have been dragged to watch some hurling before heading to Greece for our long overdue honeymoon. And that brings us right up to now.
One eternity later.
The adventure continues. We are very tired.
Yes, it's currently 6:30 in the morning.
Yes.
We're boarding a ferry at 7 a.m, take off 8 a.m, arriving in Athens at 2:30 p.m.
2-ish, yeah. 6 hours, yeah. Athens, here we come. One is angry with me because I didn't tell her about the jumper situation on the ferry.
Very cold.
The ferry had a bit of a warning sign saying, make sure you bring your jumper because of the air conditioning. So it was never mentioned by myself, and one is a little bit annoyed, but it's okay. She has her jumper, so all is good. And now we're gonna get some coffee because I think it's well needed. So top tip: bring your stuff on board. Coffee, food before you come on board. We've paid for 2 coffees and 2 pastries, and it is 18 euros. So yeah, bear that in mind.
It's a bit pricey, I'd say.
Bit pricey.
It's a bit pricey. Catching up on race across the world.
Athens, here we are. Let's go. We're in.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, it's very warm.
We're here. 20 minutes to our
Wow.
place. Let's go. Athens, here we come. Yeah. we've just got to our place and we have come across a new way of locking the door with an app.
The door is locked now, and watch this. Door unlocked.
The future is in apps. That is the future of locking doors.
5 minutes later.
We're on the way to Plaka, so it's meant to be a really good neighbourhood to go to get a bit of a feel of the culture of Athens and Greek in general. And Greece in general, I should say, sorry. So, yeah, it'll be our first time. I say, or Greek in general, I said. So, yeah, we're gonna get some Greek food and just chill for a little bit, probably. Very relaxed evening because we just got here, and that's the plan, really.
And we are on the hunt for gyros.
Yeah.
So that's good.
Yeah, that's probably the priority, really. Is 100%.
Priority, yeah. So we were on our way to Plaka neighborhood, but then from the bus we saw the Panathenaic Stadium. This is insane. It's so big.
Yeah, it's massive.
It's definitely worth checking it out. And it's the entire stadium made out of marble, and it's the only one in the world. That's like insane.
Yeah, we read as well. It holds 60,000 people, which is mental
It's
science.
huge. Like,
Yeah.
you can see, like, it doesn't look that big in a video, but it's actually massive.
Yeah, like entrance is a tenner, so €10 to get in. I think the student discount also at a fiver.
For
Yeah,
students,
so if you are interested, definitely have to check it out. And like it's just right bang in the middle of town, so it's definitely worth checking out 100%.
Yeah. So we're gonna just walk around a little bit, and then we're gonna head to our
Plaka.
original plan,
Yes.
Plaka neighborhood.
Made it to Plaka, and as you expect, it's hustle bustle, full markets,
Yeah.
full restaurants.
Lots of shops, lots of cafes.
Exactly, yeah.
But it's very pretty, very narrow streets.
Yeah.
Things left and right going on, so
Yeah, no, so we're gonna have a little look around here. So we were recommended this place called Quick Pitta, and for £18 we have been given the following. So we have been given all this
it's a lot.
for £18. Time to tuck in.
Σας ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ για τον χρόνο σας. Να είστε όλες και όλοι καλά.
So much good stuff. Can't buy any.
So we're just walking around and we found this place, a little cook shop. More lights than it was in Hong Kong. This place is a bit mental.
We came across something. I don't know what to describe it as. It's like a restaurant where the waiters are dressed like Snow
It's like
White
Disney,
and the
Disney,
Seven
yeah.
Dwarfs. But it's a big focus on Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs.
Let's have a look around. We're
We
back.
made it home. We're so tired. We walked so much. This place is massive and it's chaotic. It's so busy.
Athens is buzzing.
First
It's the word I have
impressions,
for it.
yeah. There's
Buzzing.
lots of like young people all over the place. The streets though, first of all, it's up and down hills, and the streets are very slippery.
Like Istanbul.
Yeah, like Istanbul. More like Ankara.
Ankara, yeah.
And
it's young and lively like Barcelona. It's a young crowd and it's buzzing, like as we said. Just be careful. We were around town and there was some shady characters up to no good, let's put it that way. So just be careful. So if you have bags, etc., just make sure you want your stuff, because it does seem like there's some people around. There's some police in the main square also, so just be careful, bear that in mind.
just keep your stuff close to you and like in contact with you at all times, because we saw some people trying to be cheeky, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, bear that in mind. But weirdly enough, we went to the shop, got some bits and pieces, and we have found the most amazing thing in the world. This is ham and cheese packet in one.
Michael has his mind blown.
Blowing my socks off. It's such a great idea. Greece.
It is a good idea though, if you want to, like, you know, because it's an easy way to do, isn't it? Like if you want to make a sandwich, it's like ham and cheese is the way to go for a lot of people, I guess. So it's a really good idea, just to have it 2 in 1. Another thing I would mention, like the streets are really, really narrow and lots of like one-way streets. So I would probably not recommend to drive here unless you're a very experienced driver, because it seems, it's very tight.
Yeah, and they do park on both sides of the road also, so it gets even tighter again. So like, and as one mentioned, it is quite hilly in areas, so it is quite tight. So it's,
like some streets are like proper, you would,
you'd be struggling.
You'd struggle.
You'd struggle a little bit that way, especially if you're not used to the tight streets and parking on both sides of the street that way. But no, really enjoyable day.
And we came across this, it was crazy. We were like, oh my god, what are those lights in there? So I said, let's check it out. And it was like a whole restaurant, but it was like massive. It was like on the left side, on the right side, in the front, and it was like different area of the restaurant had different things, but the whole theme was Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. The girls were all dressed as Snow White, all the guys serving were dressed as dwarfs. It was like, the lights were just insane.
Yeah, it was really cool actually, like
such a unique place. I don't think we've came across anything like that.
It kind of reminded me of Macau a little bit, the lights. There were so many lights all over the place.
Well, I actually thought it was a casino or something.
Yeah, it's just the way it was lit up, but it was really cool. But we saw the stadium today. Really cool to see the stadium which hosted the first modern Olympics. So that was kind of cool to see. Yeah. And then we went to Plaka, the area,
the neighborhood.
The kind of trendy area.
Yeah, it's really, really cute. Like again, narrow streets, restaurants left and right, shops, boutiques, all that sort of thing. And tomorrow we have an exciting day coming up. We're gonna go and visit the Acropolis. So that should be really good. Yeah,
this is the big one now. Like, this is probably the main reason why we come here.
Yeah.
Especially since being in Rome, we roam like blew our socks off that way. So this is just gonna be really cool to see that, especially the ancient Greek now and the Acropolis. That should be really fun tonight. Really fun tomorrow.
tonight I'm going to bed.
So looking forward to that tomorrow. So as usual, guys, just want to say thanks a lot for tuning in, for watching us on our travel. So look forward to seeing you tomorrow in
See you tomorrow.
Athens.